Hey everybody, I'm Taya and this is another episode of Taya's 2 Cents. Today we're talking about private showings and open houses in a world of COVID. How does that work? What does it look like? And what should you expect? Well, step one is if you see a property online that you want to go and see in person, don't be surprised if the real estate agent says, can I see your proof of funds? Can I see your pre-approval letter from your bank? And will you sign this PEAD form, which essentially is a hold harmless agreement, verifying that you know you're at risk for entering a property that maybe someone's been exposed to COVID. This is the world that we live in. So as real estate agents, we are requiring that anybody who walks through the property signs what we call this PEAD form. So that's one thing to know. Another thing is that open houses have changed. Now when you go to an open house, they're going to be scheduling everybody by appointment. So you're going to, if you see an open house sign, they may say, oh, come back in the next hour or two. We already have scheduled appointments for the next, 45 minutes, because they're going to be staggering people, for a 15-minute walkthrough and then a 15-minute break and so forth. So this is all just to keep everybody safe and healthy. And now I'm going to include some other comments below to give you some more details about that. But if you have any questions or you want to chat about it, shoot me a DM or comment below. That's just my 2 cents, and I'll see you next time.